10 richest cities in India, wealthiest urban centers in the country. Craving a glimpse into India's economic powerhouses? This video unlocks the top 10 richest cities in the country. We are diving deep into the heart of booming businesses, sky-high GDPs, and the secrets to their success stories. But wait, there's more. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the economic prowess of these thriving cities, uncovering the factors that have propelled them to the zenith of success. We will also discuss the criteria used to rank these cities, all while peppering our journey with fascinating facts and figures demonstrating their impressive achievements. This is going to be one info-packed adventure you won't want to miss. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of India's wealthiest urban centers. Subscribe now and let's get rich with knowledge. Number 10. Visakhapatnam, the jewel of the East Coast. This port city isn't just stunning, think sparkling beaches like Ramakrishna and Rishikonda. It's also an economic powerhouse with a whopping $26 billion GDP. Vizag, as it's fondly called, boasts a booming steel, petroleum, and IT industry, making it a magnet for job seekers. If you're looking for a city that offers a blend of career opportunities, upscale living, think MVP Colony and Seethammadra, and luxurious shopping, CMR Central, V Square, Visakhapatnam might just be your perfect match. And hey, that cool $2,450 per capita income doesn't hurt either. Number 9. Surat, where diamonds shine and dreams take flight. Move over, Antwerp. India's very own diamond city, Surat, cuts and polishes its way to a glittering $40 billion GDP. This economic giant isn't a one-trick pony though. Surat's booming textile industry adds another layer to its wealth. With a per capita income of $2,530, Surat offers a sparkling future for its residents. Beyond the business world, Surat sizzles with a vibrant food scene and historical gems like Surat Castle and the Dutch Garden. And for those who love the finer things, luxurious neighborhoods like Vesu and Pal and swanky malls like VR Surat and Rahul Raj Mall cater to every whim. Surat, where wealth meets a vibrant culture, making it a city that truly shines. Number 8. Ahmedabad, where history meets hustle. Hold on to your kurtas. Our economic journey takes us to Ahmedabad, the bustling heart of Gujarat, boasting a mighty $47 billion GDP. This textile and chemical powerhouse offers a wealth, pun intended, of opportunities, with a per capita income of around $2,590. But Ahmedabad isn't just about business. Immerse yourself in history at the Sabarmati Ashram, marvel at architectural wonders like the Adalat Stepwell, or unwind in posh neighborhoods like Prahlad Nagar and Bodagda. And for the shopaholics, Alphawan and Ahmedabad One malls await your credit cards. Ahmedabad, a city where rich history meets a vibrant, modern economy. Number 7. Pune, the Oxford of the East with a golden future. Calling all scholars and career climbers, Pune, the esteemed Oxford of the East, beckons with a flourishing $48 billion GDP, a hefty 0.81% chunk of India's economic pie. This educational hub and powerhouse for automobiles and IT boasts a per capita income exceeding a cool $2,640. Pune is a magnet for ambitious minds seeking a prosperous future. So, if you're looking for a city that blends academic excellence with a thriving job market, Pune might just be your perfect match. Number 6. Kolkata, where history whispers and luxury roars. Step into a city steeped in tradition yet pulsating with modern energy. Kolkata, India's cultural crown jewel, boasts a remarkable $63 billion GDP, a whopping 1.05% of the nation's wealth. This this historic metropolis isn't stuck in the past. Jute, tea, textiles and other industries fuel its economic fire, offering a wealth of opportunities. See what we did there, with a per capita income of around $2,780. Wander through the majestic Victoria Memorial or marvel at the iconic Howrah Bridge, then head to Alipore or Baliganj, Kolkata's posh neighborhoods where luxury living meets vibrant fashion. Kolkata is a city where history whispers in your ear while the future roars with opportunity. Number 5. Chennai, where stars shine and industries thrive. Calling all movie buffs and tech whizzes. Get ready for Chennai, the captivating capital of Tamil Nadu. This city isn't just a cultural gem with stunning temples and a rocking traditional music scene, it's an economic powerhouse with a dazzling $66 billion GDP, contributing a cool 1.12% to India's total wealth. Chennai's per capita income hits a sweet spot at around $3,000. So, what fuels this city's success? Look no further than the roaring automotive, IT, and healthcare industries, creating a job heaven for skilled professionals. Want to rub shoulders with celebrities? Chennai might be your spot. Superstars like Rajinikanth and Kamal Haasan call this city home, residing in swanky villas nestled in ultra-luxurious neighborhoods like Boat Club and Post Garden. These upscale areas ooze sophistication and exclusivity, offering a taste of the high life for Chennai's elite. Chennai, a city where movie magic meets modern industry, making it a place where dreams take center stage. Number 4. Hyderabad, where design and innovation blooms. Hold on to your pearls, because we are diving into the heart of Hyderabad, the city of pearls. This majestic metropolis boasts a shimmering $74 billion GDP, a remarkable 1.24% of India's economic might. But Hyderabad's not just about the bling. This city is a major hub for IT, biotech, and pharmaceuticals, offering a treasure trove of job opportunities with a per capita income of around $3,380. Step back in time and explore the architectural wonders of the Charminar and Golconda Fort, remnants of the Nizam's reign. Fast forward to the present, and Hyderabad explodes with modern luxury in upscale neighborhoods like Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills. Shop till you drop in opulent malls like GVK1 and Inorbit Mall. Hyderabad is a city where rich history intertwines with cutting-edge innovation, making it a place where the past paves the way for a bright future. Number 3. Bangalore, India's Silicon Valley where tech titans and party people collide. Get ready to be amazed. Our next stop is Bangalore, the undisputed crown jewel of India's tech industry. This shining metropolis boasts a mind-blowing GDP of $110 billion, a whopping 1.87% of the nation's economic pie. With a per capita income of around $3,961, Bangalore isn't just about innovation, it's about living the good life. Imagine lush greenery meeting urban energy, a place with a climate so pleasant it's like living in perpetual spring. That's Bangalore, a city that pulsates with a nightlife as vibrant as its tech scene. Affluent residents unwind in posh neighborhoods like Indiranagar and Koramangala, while luxury malls like UB City and Phoenix Market City cater to every shopping whim. Feeling fancy? Hit the exclusive clubs like Sky and Chu, where Bangalore's high society gathers. Need a break from the party? Dive into the city's incredible food scene, from Michelin-starred restaurants to global delights. Bangalore tantalizes every taste bud. Bangalore, a city where tech titans and party people come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. Number 2. Delhi, where power meets posh. Buckle up, because we are about to enter the heart of India's power center, Delhi, the nation's capital. This historic and modern metropolis boasts a jaw-dropping $293 billion GDP, a staggering 4.94% of India's total wealth. Delhi isn't just about monuments, it's a land of opportunity with a per capita income of around $4,027. Retail, IT, tourism, you name it, Delhi's got it. This city is a fascinating blend of ancient and cutting edge. Marvel at iconic landmarks like the Red Fort and Qutub Minar, then hop on the bustling metro and find yourself surrounded by sleek skyscrapers. When it comes to luxury living, Delhi doesn't disappoint. Elite neighborhoods like Lutyens Delhi and Golf Links offer palatial residences, while high-end shopping malls like DLF Emporio and Select City Walk cater to every designer wing. Feeling fancy? Delhi's elite party at exclusive clubs like Privy and Playboy Club. Craving culinary adventures? The city boasts a thriving food scene with world-class fine dining establishments serving up a global feast. Delhi, a city where power players mingle with the posh crowd, creating an unforgettable experience. Number 1. Mumbai, the city of dreams where billionaires and Bollywood stars collide. Drumroll please, because we've reached the top of the financial Everest, Mumbai, India's undisputed financial capital. This city is the beating heart of the nation's economy, boosting a colossal $368 billion GDP, a staggering 6.16% of India's total wealth. With a per capita income of around $4,909, Mumbai isn't just about making money, it's about living the dream. Imagine a city that pulses with the energy of finance, entertainment, and IT. That's Mumbai. Need a job? This metropolis offers endless opportunities across diverse sectors. Mumbai is a city that never sleeps, with an extensive transportation network ensuring you're always connected. And when you're not climbing the corporate ladder, take a moment to soak in the iconic beauty of the Gateway of India or cruise down the scenic Marine Drive.